What's up, guys? My name is Jeremy Torchinsky with Zero Doubt Club, and today we're gonna make one of my favorite recipes of all time, low carb chocolate chip cookies. Let's go. I've been using this recipe for about 12 months and these cookies are great. Here's what we're gonna need today. You can choose between the chips. So we're gonna do 1/4 cup of bacon chips. We're gonna do a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 6 tablespoons of ghee, 1/2 cup of monk fruit, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, 3 eggs, and 3 cups of almond flour. Before we get started, we want to preheat the oven for 360, and we're going to cook these cookies for about 18 to 20 minutes and watch them. When they get golden brown on the outside, pull them out and let them rest. All right, so the first ingredient that makes these low carb is the almond flour. Okay, so we're going to use 3 cups of almond flour. All right, next ingredient, the sweetener. We need our cookies a little sweet, so we got the monk fruit, way better than sugar, way healthier, doesn't spike your insulin. So we're gonna do 1/2 cup. We need some butter, well, ghee, the good stuff, right? Grass-fed, keep our ingredient qualities good. Watch what we put in our bodies, right? So we want 6 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so I'm melting the butter in the microwave, and while I'm doing that, we're pouring the chocolate chips. So about 1/2 cup, maybe a little bit less than 1/2 cup. Now we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk. You want these? Chocolate chips for the crew. All right, eggs, 3 eggs. Okay, stir up the eggs. Pour in the butter. Okay, now we're gonna add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Still not open. There we go, we got it open. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix it up. Again, we got the wet ingredients, just egg, butter, and vanilla extract. Mix that stuff up. All right, so we're gonna cover a baking pan with some parchment paper, and we're gonna lay out the cookies. Let's probably do like 3 by 3 with this ice cream scooper. So after I pull the cookies out, I like to let them sit for about 20 minutes, and then they're ready to eat, so we'll see what we got. Yeah, they're good. Again, low carb chocolate chip, almond flour. They probably net about 3 grams of carbs, and they taste just as good as regular cookies. Well, at least that's what everyone tells me, so try them out. So hit the button below and subscribe for more cooking videos. See you guys later.